Hi guys, welcome back to Andy's workshop. Sorry I haven't been uploading. It's because I'm self-employed. I run my own workshop, and I've been super busy the last couple of months, so I just don't get time to do it, unfortunately. But you're here because obviously you've had some seatbelt issues, especially with the chime. My Smax is a 2008, and the seatbelt chime goes off even when you're sat in the car, even when you're belted in. You know you're belted in, and it just becomes a nuisance after a while. So this video is going to show you how to turn the chime off. It's quite simple to do, but you don't do it through the menu. You do it with the actual seatbelt. So let's take a look. First, fire it all up. So you just want to turn the ignition on, and then it's as simple as plugging the seatbelt in and then taking it out again. But you have to do it 9 or 10 times. So I won't show you the plug-in in stage because obviously you're going to know how to plug in your seatbelt, but once I've done it, there'll be a little light down here, obviously the seatbelt light, that will come on and it will blink to tell you it's been disabled. So here we go. And there we go. That's literally it. It's disabled, so you won't hear that chime no more. That's all you've got to do. Is, I think it's 9 or 10 times, but just do it until it flashes up, and you're all good to go. See you soon.